realizing that we are neither the body nor the mind, but we are the eternal soul. That is the true knowledge. And our soul keeps moving from one body to another body. Just like how changing clothes, you know, do not changes us. That is why the soul, the true you, remains the same, though it keeps moving from one body to the other body. That soul, the real you, have existed before and will continue to exist in the future. Soul is the energy, and according to science, energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but can only be changed from one form to another. Similarly, the soul can transform from one body to another body, but it remains as it is in its true form, unchanged, unmoved, unaffected by anything that happens around it. So the message of Lord Shri Krishna is very, very clear. Perceiving this distinction between our physical body and our soul is the true knowledge. According to Upanishads, knowledge itself is life. Knowledge is our being. Knowledge is our existence. Knowledge is what we truly are. If we become that knowledge itself, not merely as an intellectual concept, but as a substance that we are made up of, then we become free from the bondage of actions and move towards the moksha. When this darkness of avidya is removed by the bright light of true knowledge, it liberates us and frees us from all the emotional turmoils and pains and sufferings of the life.